Let me show you a very simple daily tax report system that you can have that will act as your personal assistant, giving you updates of your daily to-dos every morning so that you'll be on top of, so that you will know what you're supposed to do for the day, your meetings, your to-dos, and everything. So let's just go right into it. To build the system, we'll be using a tool called Zapier. Zapier is a very beginner-friendly AI automation system that you can use to build for yourself or for your business. Rather, you can use to automate processes in your business. So once you sign up, this is the dashboard that you're going to see. So you can simply just come to Zapier, or you click on this plus sign, click on this create, and you're going to see the same thing. So you can just simply click on it, Zapier, to create your Zap. So we want to build this. So our trigger for this system is going to be every day. So we want it to run every morning and give us a report of what we are supposed to do for that day. So the trigger here is going to be schedule. Let me minimize this. And our trigger event here is going to be every day. You click on continue and you choose the time of the day. We're going to do 8 a.m. or you can do 7 a.m. depending on when your day begins. And then you can decide to trigger it on weekends if you also work weekends. But if you don't, you can do no. So you can click continue here and then test this trigger. So yeah, it has pulled something for us. So we continue with the selected record. So our action here is going to be, our next action is going to be going into our Google Calendar. We want to go into our Google Calendar and find the meetings that we have scheduled for that day. So we're going to pick Google Calendar here. And then our action event is going to be to find events. And my account already is connected, but if yours isn't, you're going to see a sign in. So just sign into your Google Calendar and click continue here. So choose your calendar here. Mine is this one. And then the start time here, you're going to map it to the time from the first step, which is going to be this. You're going to do creating next occurrence here. So you want any meeting that starts before this. So for this one, we just leave it as it is and we click continue here. So it's going to pull up all the events that we have for the day. And you see it has pulled all of this for us. It has pulled these meetings and every other thing that we have scheduled for today. So now that we have that, our next step is going to be the step that goes into our tax management tool, say ClickUp, Notion, and also pull all of the tasks that we have for that day. For this one, I'm going to use ClickUp. Let me minimize this. So my action here is going to be to find list of all tasks. So my account has already been connected, but if yours hasn't, you're going to say sign in. So just simply sign into your account and then you click continue here and then pick your workspace. This is my own workspace. Pick your space as well. And then pick your folder as well. And then pick your list as well. So our due date here is going to also be mapped to our first step, which is going to be our next occurrence date. So it's going to be all the tasks before this date. So we click on continue here and we type the step. Yeah, so if I maximize this, it pulls up all of the data, all of the tasks that I have that will be due today. That's before tomorrow. So the next step I want to add here is going to be this step that puts this together. That's going to be the AI step that puts this together, writes it in a good message for me, and sends it to me. So I'm going to be using AI by Zapier here. So my input fields is going to be, say, meeting details. So that's my field name, is call it meeting details. And then my field type is going to be, I want to say everything from here. So I'm going to say the step output here. That's all of the meetings it has given me. And then I save these. And the next thing I want to also add is going to be my tax details. So I want to now take the output from the ClickUp, all of the tax it has given to me. So I save these. I don't have any knowledge base and I don't even think I need one. So I now need a prompt. So this is what my prompt is looking like. I have it written somewhere. So I'm just going to run with that. So the output here, I want to add tax report, and then I'm going to say this is a summary of what I had to do today. So that's the field I want it to generate for me. So I said that I'll go ahead and generate a preview here. So yeah, it has generated all of these for me. So this is good. It has said my meetings, provided the link and every other thing, and also my task, provided directly into the task in case I want to go in from that message to do some changes to the task or look it up and see, the full breakdown of the task and all of that. So this is good for me. So I'll finish this. It takes me to my last step, which is going to be the text that sends me that message. That I can do Slack, you can do email, you can do WhatsApp, whatever you want to whatever you prefer, whichever channel you would prefer. So let me do Slack for this one. Yeah, so I click on Slack here. And then my event is going to be to send a direct message. So yeah, I want to send a direct message to myself. I click on continue because my account has already been established. So to the username, you can click yourself, and then the message here is going to be what I got from this. And then the bot name, I want this to send it as a bot. So say I call the bot meeting or text, or let me say tax assistant. So that's what I call the bot. And then I don't want to include a link to these. And I think every other thing is okay. So I just click continue here. And I go ahead and test the step to see what it's going to look like when it sends it to me. So I have received the message here. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah. So this is what it looks like. It says, "Good morning. What a beautiful day. Meeting with Nick. This time then to do. Gives high priority, medium priority, low priority." It tells me that I don't have anything that's a low priority for today. So now that is working perfectly. So the next thing I just want to do here is publish this. So now with a system like this, every morning it's going to go into my Google Calendar, pull up all the meetings I have, go into my ClickUp, pull up all the tasks I have, compile it in a message and send it to me on Slack. So I don't have to worry about running to my, my Google Calendar, looking through all of my meetings, running to my ClickUp, looking through all of my tasks. This just gives me a more organized and more better, view of everything I have to do. I really hope you found this useful. If you did, make sure to subscribe. And if you have any questions, make sure to leave it in the comments. I'm going to respond to all of them. This is a bye from me.